So for my improvement today, we have this little laminator here. And what ends up happening is we have a bunch of waste that comes out from the bottom of the lamination. So usually most of it gets caught in this little basket, but because the lamination usually has a curl, a lot of the lamination will go from here all the way down here and it'll fall onto the floor, kind of like how you see right there. And our solution to this is going to be a little piece of lamination that we're going to put right in between the hole right there, and then we're going to loop it kind of behind here, so hopefully now whenever some of that curled lamination goes through, it'll go into the basket and not end up falling on the floor. So I have this piece of lamination here, and what I ended up doing was I drilled some holes in it. That way they go with the holes that are on the machine. And then I added some of this little tape runner to the sides that are actually going to be on the machine. So I'm going to add it and then I'll show you guys the end results. So here is the end result. You can see it stays on pretty well. And shout out to Frank for this idea. He actually had a similar version to this, but what ended up happening is every single time we used to take this off, we would have to take off that little piece as well. So it ended up getting lost. But hopefully with this new improvement, everything stays in place, and then we end up with less waste on the floor and less motion after the fact, since we don't have to pick it up anymore.